How's it going, everybody? I hope you're all doing well. Right, on this video I'm going to show you how to make a very nice cake indeed. Rum raisin. Proper rum raisin. Oh yeah. We've got the rum here and we're not going to mess about on this video. So what will you need? Let's get into it. Of course you'll need your raisins. In there I've got 12 ounces of flour, which equates to about 1.5 pints of flour. I'm using brown sugar on this recipe because brown sugar really does complement the rum. So there's 1/2 pint of brown sugar there, ready to go. 3 eggs, a heaped dessert spoon, of butter, and ground cinnamon. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is butter up your cake tin. You're a fantastic cake tin. You're the best cake tin I've ever had. No, not that sort of butter up. Butter up. So just do this quickly. Marvellous. There we go. Stop everything sticking. Super job. Pop that on the side. And here we go. So let's start adding stuff. So, you got your flour. In with your brown sugar. Next, your heaped dessert spoon of butter, like so. Your cinnamon, your teaspoon of cinnamon, like so. Oh, there we go. There we go. Next, 3 eggs. Doink. 2. Oh, there we go. 3. Super. Right. Now, I have got an electric whisk. If you haven't got one of these, a wooden spoon will be just as good. But do make sure that that mixture is extremely smooth when you get to the next stage. So this is going to get a little bit noisy, so bear with me. So instead of pouring milk into there to thin it down, yeah, you've guessed it, I'm going to use the rum. The raisins are going to go in last. So cover your ears. This is going to get a bit noisy. Now I could spare you and edit it out, but I really need to do this as is, so do forgive me. Talk amongst yourselves. And it all starts to go nice and smooth. Just like that. And there you have it. See? Lovely. Marvellous. Look at that. Let's pop that over there. I like doing these videos when it's just all one go. It does make a difference. I enjoy it. Okay, there's your mixture. Next, you're going to add your raisins and fold that in like so. I've already preheated the oven. That's on 170, and this will be transferred into the tin, and it'll be cooked for about, baked I should say, for about an hour, hour and 15. Fantastic. Now should by any, I don't know, miracle or something happens and a bit of that rum accidentally gets into a shot glass, you know, accidentally, and as that happens you have an arm spasm that takes the shot to your mouth, then yes. It's one of them things, isn't it? It's one of them things. What can you do, eh? What can you do? So, let's get that caked in. And pop that mixture into there. Fantastic. There we go. Make sure everything's in. And there we have it. Lovely. Look at that. Perfect. So that's now going to go in the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes on 170. And well, I'll get back to you then. And there you go. A rum raisin cake. It's been about I don't know, hour and 15 minutes. I was right. Okay, let's get this out of here. I know it's a little bit of overkill, but never mind. We are heading towards Halloween, so you know, do forgive. Just loosen up the top edges there. Make life a little bit easier. Go, fantastic. Oh, incidentally folks, I'm doing Mexican quesadillas tonight, so if you've never tried Mexican quesadillas, click on my channel, go down, check these out. You'll absolutely love them if you like Mexican food, so go for it. Just click the channel, find the video, I'll show you how to make perfect quesadillas. Okay, let's get back to it. Turn this over. And very, ow. There we go. Got all the juices of the raisins coming out there, so don't worry about that. Ouch. Okay. Here we go. That smells absolutely beautiful. There we go. Wow. Check that out. All those raisins, all that rum. Nice. Absolutely lovely. Perfect. I'm going to enjoy that. So if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Even better, click that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And I'll catch you on the next video. Catch you later, folks.